Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you love making your kitchen stylish and functional, then you are going to love today's video. I have got some awesome Amazon kitchen finds to share with you, gadgets and tools that will make your cooking easier and healthier. From air fryer to dosa tawa and many more, you will get the best finds in today's video. Let's get started. First, let's talk about something simple but extremely powerful, alkaline water. Alkaline water helps you to balance your body's pH level and is loaded with natural antioxidants. It helps you to boost your energy, improve digestion, even helps to detoxify the body. And you don't have to buy the fancy bottled alkaline water, you can easily make it at home. Let's start by filling a jar with 1 to 2 liters of water and add handful of fresh coriander, mint leaves, few slices of cucumber, carrot, lemon and beetroot. Let it sit for overnight and drink in the morning and throughout the day to reap its healthy benefits. Now let's talk about Fumetto air fryer. This little gadget is a game changer for anyone who loves to cook but wants to cut down on oil and make healthier meals. This digital air fryer comes with a 6.8 liter capacity, which is perfect for cooking needs of your family. And this video is not a promotional one. There are many air fryer are available in the market. I will share the links in the description box which are best available in the market. With air fryer, you can make crispy snacks with 90% less fat and you can enjoy your favorite fried snacks guilt-free. It has 5 preset cooking modes: fry, grill, roast, steam and bake. So you can make everything from crispy fries to grilled veggies and even steamed momos, all with less oil. I got this air fryer as a gift from my brother and I'm loving it. It is available on Amazon. I will share the link in the description box. Apart from this, I will share the links of best air fryer available in the market. Now let's take this air fryer for a spin and make some healthy snacks. Take some makhanas, peanuts, healthy seeds like chia seeds, flax seeds, sunflower and watermelon seeds. Add a spoon of ghee or olive oil. It is optional. Mix it nicely and set the air fryer on roast mode for 10 minutes and sit back. And what I loved about this air fryer is this see-through window through which you can see the status of the food cooking. Halfway through, just give it a nice mix so that it will be roasted nicely. You can mix salt, chaat masala or black pepper to give it a nice namkeen like feel, but I am not going to add anything as I want it without salt. So guys, a healthy snack is ready in just 10 minutes without putting much efforts, and you can enjoy it guilt free. Now let's talk about dosa tawas. Every Indian kitchen needs a good tawa for making dosas, parathas and even pancakes. But with so many options, how do you know which one to choose? Let's compare these popular tawas from Indus Valley, Prestige and Hawkins. Let's first try this Indus Valley cast iron tawa. If you love traditional cooking, then this one is a good option. It is said that to cook crispy good dosas, cast iron tawa is the best option, but I feel it is not easy for the beginners like me to cook dosa in this tawa. It takes lot of effort and care to maintain this tawa, and you need to have some hands-on experience to make crispy dosas in this tawa. As I'm not really good at making dosas and this cast iron tawa is really not my cup of tea. If you have any suggestion to make crispy dosas on cast iron, then please do let me know in the comments. Once you are done with cooking, just wash this tawa with plain water and wipe it nicely. Then season it with oil and keep it for the next time. Next is Prestige Granite Non-Stick Tawa. This is a great option if you want an easy to clean low oil tawa. The granite non-stick coating means your dosas won't stick and you don't need much oil to get the golden crisp. In fact, I have not used any oil while making this dosa. You have to handle this tawa with care and don't use any metal spatulas. Once you are done with cooking, just wipe it with a cloth and keep it for the next time. And lastly, we have Hawkins non-stick tawa. This one is known for its durability and even heat distribution. It's easy to use and the non-stick surface makes it great option for cooking with little to no oil. Out of these three, I loved Hawkins tawa. If you are looking for the best dosa tawa, then try Hawkins dosa tawa. It's the best one and you can easily make your dosas. Now let's talk about a simple habit that can make a huge difference in our kitchen. Many of us use packaged masalas for cooking, but do you know that packaged masalas can be adulterated? And it was in the news also. They contain harmful additives and artificial colors which can affect our health in the long run. So I have decided to grind masalas at home. It takes extra efforts, but trust me, it's super easy and the flavor and aroma of these masalas is just amazing and has no comparison with the packaged masalas. When you grind masalas at home, you get them in their purest form. Look at this freshly ground coriander masala. It smells so nice and you can store them in an airtight jar and can use it whenever you are cooking. Similarly, you can grind other masalas like jeera, lal mirch, kali mirch. If you don't want to grind them at home, then you can get them grind at your nearest chakki. I got these printed knives from Amazon. The prints are so attractive and perfect for our aesthetic kitchen. It is made up of premium stainless steel and has sharp edge which is perfect for slicing and chopping. The handle of these knives is so soft and easier to hold as compared to traditional kitchen knives. It comes in set of 3 and you will get 3 different prints on it. Plus you will get cover with these knives to keep them covered after use. These knives look so aesthetic and cool. I will share the link in the description box. You can also add them in your kitchen. If you are liking this video, then please hit the like button, and if you are new on my channel then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon ताकि मेरी सारी वीडियो के अपडेट्स आपको टाइम टू टाइम नोटिफाई हो जाएं. If you are a coffee lover, then this one is for you. I got this stainless steel manual milk frother. It's sleek and simple and will elevate your coffee game. This manual frother is perfect for getting rich, creamy foam for real lattes, cappuccino, and even hot chocolates. With electric frother, there is always a hassle of charging the batteries, and they also stop working after some time. So I picked this manual one. It's durable, easy to clean, plus it comes with 400 ml capacity. You can easily make a couple of coffees at once. Go for it, guys. So guys, this is all about today's video. See you in the next one.